Okay, welcome to Moby Dick Upswing. I usually do it in one cut, but this is the first time I do more than one time. Um, Always for the first time. Unplug. Here we go. I guess this is the second try. So here's my swing. Okay, one more time. Okay, I'll let you see third time. And then I also let you see in slow motion. Okay, one more time in slow motion. Okay. All right, and then I'll let you see my swing thought. Okay, so I am purposely putting a stronger grip, and then I am going to externally rotate, so that not only I have power, but also controlling the club face by externally rotating. Okay, so that's the first part. Low body alignment. Basically, only thing difference is everything's square, except my left foot I'm flare open, almost toe of my left shoes is pointing to the target. The reason for that is I have an issue laterally moving diagonally 1030 and push from that directions. I have a major problem by pushing it more of 12 o'clock instead of really open myself. So instead of feeling like a diagonally, I'm doing straight to almost like a 9 o'clock. That allows me to clear the left side much better. Okay, that's the reason. This again apply only to me. So doing the backswing, original Moby Dick swing is basically pushing down with your right foot and push towards the target while you're pushing your left shoulder away from the target, offsetting each other's, and then there's a separation move is creating that tension. And then I told you that it's like stretching the bow, and then that is a very good move. But I have again using that, and then I want to actually doing it more biomechanical way, because I want my right hip to go back much deeper, and the other one is still really creating a lot of load doing the backswing, but I want to have right shoulder pushing back much deeper, and then doing this backswing allows me to do that. What is that? As you can see, transverse plane move. Basically, I'm pushing out from 130, and then right with the left heel, I'm pushing back to 730. This is exact opposite of 1030, 430. This allows me to easily rotate, gives me transverse rotation, but pushing down will go up, and it'll give you the like a spring going up, spiral going up, like a peak count. So I'm using again the Newton's third law. You pushing down and it'll go up for you. Exact opposite way. So I'm pushing down to go up, and I'm pushing forward towards to 1 o'clock, pushing out so that I can my hip can go back. So I'm using that biomechanical Newton's law to do my backswing, and then I can see my right side is loading, and then also right hip is back much deeper than before. So which is I like that. My backswing, I'm not taking it more than P3, and then also club shaft parallel to the ground. I'm keeping that move, and then on transition, again the earlier Moby Dick golf swing, you simply pivot and the club shaft touching the side of your right arm, drill the humerus area. That is a separation move, and then that pivot will give you lateral, and also torque, and also vertical move all at the same time. Right now, with this move, I am breaking down by piece, so that this is more advanced pivot move. So I'm doing it laterally to go to the ball of my left foot, and which is I flare up, so it feels like I am landing it more towards the target instead of 1030. And then when I recenter it, my left side is already start to clear much better. And then also I'm doing a sagittal move and transverse move to 1030 and 430. And then when I do this, I am doing externally rotate my right shoulder and right forearm, so that rate of club face closing is much slower. And also I'm bringing it in much more inside to inside. Again, if you work on that P1 through P10 tracing, you get to feel the coming in inside to inside much better after P7, P8, P9. If you keep practicing that tracing drill with the 3 sticks, you can see it in my old video. You'll be able to feel that, so that I don't have to go into inside out move anymore. This is more inside to in move, so that I can ask for more of a straighter or slightly baby fade bias swing. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up one more time with the swing, and then this time I'm gonna show you again. Okay, slow motion. Okay, and then this is the actual, so I'm pushing right now with a 130 and 730. I'm pushing it with pushing it right here, ball of my right foot, and then I'm pushing back with the heel of my left foot, pushing that direction, and that gives me this action. The hip will go back that way, and then while I'm and then the left shoulder, right shoulder move out, and then it gives me nice separation move for me. And then this position right here, you can only do this by working on that tracing move, the 3 sticks down, and then trace that club pointing to the target stick, and then also one by the in front of your shoes, and the one with the right heel. If you practice that, you will have this position. And then basically backswing's over right here for Moby Dick swing. And then again, I'm fully occupied nicely. And then top of the backswing, I don't know what happened here. I don't feel this. I don't feel I went this far back. And then once I did that, and then I made a lateral move. Again, I feel like instead of diagonally, I feel like I'm more up pushing towards the target. See that my left shoe is really flare up much more than before. So now I am as already right there. I'm recentering it. My lateral move, maybe even a little bit of torque move, but also I have a vertical move pushing down, all happen. And the P5 position is pretty good. Hip is fully occupied, no sign of early extension. And then continue to occupy there. Okay, and then shallow happen because the lateral move. Now all I got left is push 1030 basically, and now pushing the right heel to 430, and then also pushing as I do that, I'm pushing down same time to get the vertical move, and then boom, that's the impact. And a little bit here is slightly before, but at impact I clearly have hip is right much opener than before, and then you see the left side, and then spine angle is kept pretty good. And then I finish it with basically like a holding the umbrella instead of turning it over. So my club face right here is right there. It's not shutting all the way, but actually slow rate of closing about, let's say right here, club face, you cannot see it clearly, but that's what's happening. And then by finishing it more like a holding the umbrella, I am promoting more of straight to fade bias. So here is let me see this here. Let me see the basically about here. So club face is right here, And let me see what I can make a little bit of circle there. And then when I finish it, is circle is right here. Oops, circle is right there. So almost matching, okay? So right there. So this is really excellent progress. I'm happy with the progress that I made. Okay, so let me see this here one more time. Full swing, second time. Okay. All right, and then slow-mo one more time. There, there, there. Pretty good. Excellent there. Excellent there. Yes, this is so far the best mechanical swing that I put on. And then I hope to keep this swing until something goes wrong or until a better move comes up. Okay. All right. Have a wonderful day and good luck with your journey.